I want to talk about something that Congress passed 50 years ago that it seems nobody even knows about. You'll hear over and over again with the electronics you have, appliances you have, TVs, cars, just about anything that, you're going to void your warranty on this because you did blah, 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 blah. Okay. Big, fat lie. Because forever ago, the Congress said, you know what? You bought the product. You can maintain it as you wish. And so an example of this is your vehicle. So there was a rumor floating around that if you did anything to your vehicle while it was under manufacturer's warranty, anything, you added a new label on the back of the vehicle or something like that, that you were voiding the manufacturer's warranty. That if you went to have an oil change done at one of these quick lube places, that you were voiding your manufacturer's warranty on your vehicle. That the only way to make sure that a product maintained its warranty was while it was under warranty, that anything done to it was done at an authorized service center in the case of electronics or anything like that, or with a vehicle that it's done at the dealer. Regular old maintenance done at the dealer. No. I don't care what fish story you're told that you have to, in order to maintain a warranty, that you have to use whoever they tell you to use. That is not true. So with your vehicle as an example, because that's the most common issue and the one with the greatest dollars involved, you are allowed to go do maintenance however, wherever you wish. How could you get in trouble potentially with a warranty on manufacture of a vehicle? This gets into a gray area, but if you do any significant modifications to the major mechanicals of a vehicle, then you could get into potential difficulty on the warranty. But just doing maintenance to a vehicle or cosmetics to a vehicle, no. Don't listen to anybody about that. And you know this big thing that went on with the consumer products manufacturers, electronics manufacturers, not wanting to make parts available to you? Law violation. It's funny because some of them have now made the cost of repairs that you do yourself more money than if you went to them. Obviously not living within the spirit of the law. But the point is, you bought something. It was warranted for whatever period of time. That warranty, barring abuse on your part, something you've done that violates it with your use of it, otherwise it's still warranted. And choosing to use a third party for maintenance is not an issue, and don't let anybody ever con you or trick you into thinking you have to pay more to maintain something than necessary in the marketplace because they've made you nervous or worried or afraid that you're going to lose that manufacturer's warranty coverage. You're not.